Kay sayang na itong website, of course with the help of Alexi, na na-push din siya this year, and we need to utilize it. Kaya yun lang guys, no? Ang simpleng plataforma. And please, guys, sa mga usap, Troy Vergara for Humanities and Letters Representative. Para sa UMLET na mas pinabongga, ipadayon ka si Troy Vergara.
Thank you, Troy Vergara, for your opening statement. So, before mag-segue kay Ace, para makaking nga si Ace content, Char, I love you. So, papakilala ka na natin social media team led by Caris Escanio, hi there, and Kenny Sereno. Social media team po, sila po nag-update ng ating Twitter account as of the moment with the hashtag #YumletHarapan. Of course, wala tayong live stream but everyone can see what they can keep track of what we are discussing here. Kasi nga, we don't have the live stream capability as of the moment. So now,